Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of powdery mildew that you may have on your squash. It's very simple to do and I'll show you how to do that. But before we go there, I want to let you know that I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, I have product reviews, meditation videos, as well as other container vegetable gardening on how to grow different types of vegetables in containers. So let's go ahead and talk about that mildew issue. To tackle the mildew issue, you're going to use some simple ingredients that you more than likely already have in your cabinet. The first ingredient is just some basic vegetable oil. I have canola oil, but you can use vegetable oil, just a regular cooking oil. Some baking soda. And a mild soap. Now I'm using Johnson's baby shampoo, but there are some dishwashing detergents that are also very mild. There's one made by Nature's Promise. Now you do not, and I stress, do not want to use those degreaser type dishwashing detergents. You definitely don't want to use the detergent that you use to wash your clothes. This is a very gentle soap that you want to use. And the recipe, the spray, you're going to get a big gallon container and you're going to fill it with nice cool water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of oil. I have canola oil, but you can use regular vegetable oil, corn oil, and just a half teaspoon of your gentle soap. And you're going to pour this in here, you're going to shake it up real good. Now, the baking soda can sink down to the bottom, so you may need to stick. I stuck the long handle of a wooden spoon and just kind of got it out from the bottom. Shake it up real good, and you're going to put it into a sprayer. And it doesn't matter the sprayer. This is a sprayer I got from the dollar store. I've had this for a while, but unfortunately, I was using it the other day and decided to stop working. So I'm going to another sprayer that I have. It's a pretty little blue bottle, but I've already got it filled up with the spray ingredients. So now we're going to go outside and we're going to start spraying, and I'll show you what that powdery mildew looks like on my squash. This leaf right here has a lot of that powdery mildew on it. I wanted to show you this one. This is one of the more infected leaves. And I'm also showing you this because I don't want you to get discouraged. There are things that are going to happen in your garden sometimes, and most of the times it's correctable. And this is one of those times we're going to solve the situation by giving it a spray. But I'm thinking this one may have a little bit too much powdery mildew on it compared to this one that has just a little bit on it, and that one. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this one off and dispose of it. You don't want to leave this laying in your yard because powdery mildew is a fungi spores basically, and it spreads through the air, and when it rains it really gets active, and we've had a lot of rain. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. And I'm going to put that in my disposable, my little yard waste bag. And I'm going to collect a bunch of those and put them in here and put that to the curb. So there are all my leaves, and I'm just going to spray. I'm going to get the leaves nice and wet. You want to get the leaves nice and wet to make sure you got adequate coverage. And that's basically all there is to it. I got some more squash plants that I'm going to do. I have a total of 5 squash plants. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do this once a week and see how it goes. Oops. Now, if you don't want to bother with mixing up anything, you can buy some commercial fungicides, just read the instructions. Make sure you buy the right one for the situation. Some of the fungicides you can buy are copper based or green cure fungicide, but again, do your reading of your labels and make sure it fits your applications. That's it. Super simple. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.